Antibiotic resistance is a growing problem in the world and one of the most urgent threats to the public health. But do you know why? Bacteria can enter the body in various ways and can spread through coughs, bodily fluids, and contaminated foods. There are beneficial bacteria in our bodies, but there are also many that are pathogenic. These pathogenic bacteria can cause various infections.
Some bacterial infections can be dangerous and require the use of medications to treat these infections. Doctors prescribe these medications, known as antibiotics, to fight these infections by either killing the bacteria or making it difficult for them to grow. Anytime antibiotics are used to treat infections, the bacteria can gain a mutation, leading to antibiotic resistance.
These mutations lead to the development of different mechanisms bacteria use to prevent antibiotics from harming them. Some bacteria develop the ability to neutralize the antibiotic before it can do any harm to them. Other bacteria can rapidly pump the antibiotic out. Some can also change the antibiotic attack site so it cannot affect the function of the bacteria.
Antibiotic resistance can also be gained through horizontal gene transfer. Horizontal gene transfer is the transfer of genetic material to unrelated individuals. In other words, a bacterium can transfer its gene that encodes the resistance to another bacterium that is not resistant.
Antibiotic-resistant bacteria can cause illnesses that were once easily treatable to become untreatable, leading to dangerous infections. Here are some examples that cause antibiotic resistance. The first one is overuse, which is the frequent use of antibiotic drugs. Next is the misuse of antibiotics when they are used to treat common illnesses like colds and the flu. And the final example is the use of antibiotics in livestock. These examples listed are the most common causes of antibiotic resistance.
There are many ways everyone can play a part in reducing antibiotic resistance. Here are some tips. Take the prescribed antibiotic exactly as your healthcare professional tells you. Never take antibiotics prescribed for someone else. Never take an antibiotic for a viral infection like a cold or the flu. Antibiotics only treat bacterial infections, while these are caused by viruses. Never save antibiotics for the next time you get sick. And finally, dispose of them properly. Everyone in the world is affected by the increase of antibiotic resistance and pathogenic bacteria. We can all make a difference in reducing this problem by following these tips and spreading awareness.